Today unboxing is on the latest release from Tomica TLV. That's the 96 Evo Lancer 4 and the 98 Evo Lancer 5. Both castings come in white. Very nice pair. Also the review of the other color variant for the Evo 4 and 5. If you missed the video, you can always click on the card above. And now let's take a closer look at the 96 Evo Lancer 4. Standard box, you can see the description. It's in alphabet C, means it's the third color variant. Wow, very nice and realistic casting. It's just like I'm holding a real Evo, shrink down to the scale of 1:64. Really a job well done by TLV. They never disappoint. Very happy that it comes pre-installed with side mirror. You do not have to install yourself, so it's pretty complete. Very clean cut, nice paint job, and very intricate details. The interior also packs a bunch of details with painted seats. Just remember about the typo error on the Evo 4 and 5. Not very sure which is the one, need to recap back my own videos. But now they got the typo error for the Evolution fix. The 98 Evo Lancer 5 also come in the third color variant. Standard packaging, you can see the color code is in white. Realistic details, just like the actual casting. Very beautiful paint job. Just look at the details on the front. It's flawless in 1:64 scale, even down to the intricate parts. At the side of the door, you can see the Evo 5 logo type, which is very dynamic and clean. And the rear light, including the spoiler, is the winner. This pair of Evo Lancer is clean cut and packs a bunch of details. Looks really realistic, and I'm very happy that it comes complete with a side mirror. And this pair of Evo is definitely a great addition to your TLV collection. More TLV unboxing coming, and remember to subscribe to my other channel, Hot Customs Unboxing. You can refer to the link down below in my comment section. Thanks everyone, bye!